Don't you dare press that button, or else I will point a gun on your head. What is this? Quick, go to the corners. Ah! No, I'm stuck. I'm working the point. Don't press the button. Just don't. Great job on surviving. Right now, I'm dead. Dead corpse. Don't you dare press it. I'm gonna press it. What's all those boulders? How am I supposed to dodge those? Yoink. Noobs. Nothing but noobs. Press it. Boop. I'm the one who pressed it. Oh gosh, there's just a human being just fall to the sky. Sugar goal. I am gonna goal the goal. No, goal it right there. I'm the one who's gonna goal it. No. This is the corner. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Yes, 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 I scored. Want to be friends? Oh, this is a bot. Bot. Give me this. What is this? Oh gosh. Oh no, is he dead? Oh, he's just having a stroke. Donate to me. No. Hot potato. Don't let them pass it. He's not really doing anything. Oh my gosh. Give Roblox please. The lava is rising. Hurry to top. I'm supposed to go. Alright, there. Go. This man is flexing his monies. Well, I have money. Okay, never mind. I have no coins. This girl is chatting. They're falling from the sky. Make them to your basket. Ducks. I want to eat them for dinner. Yummy dinners. Oh no. I'm not catching them. They're falling from the sky and then getting splattered to the ground, spilling a lot of bloods. Catch one. No. No. The ducks are dying. How am I supposed to catch them all? Doink. I'm totally gonna catch this one. Noobs. Noobs. Time's up. I got the most. Who's Kitty? Who the world is Kitty? I'm gonna murder her and I will. Oh my gosh. Tornado. Oh my gosh, it's a tornado, gosh. I'm gonna. No. Now I am just thinking about anxiety, thinking about life. A lot of people here just sit here and have anxiety. Oh gosh. No, don't. Don't press it. Don't press it. No, don't. Please. No. Okay. No! What's next? What is the next day? Oh gosh. He's killing me. Oh, it's Baldi's basic education and learning. Oh gosh, what happened to my face? Shocker! No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Bro, I'm stuck. I was stuck. Plus, they cheated. Time to spam to click button. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. I'm gonna get the most press button because I'm such a pro. My arm is getting numb and my arm is dying. It's rotting. Didn't even show who won. Deliver pink house. Pink house. 10 plus coins. I should replace my face with this. This face is much better. Like, yeah, if I did have Robux, I can do this. But I won't spend my life saving trying to buy in-game money for no reason just to buy something. I'm not gonna waste my money on that. Come to the top and boulders. Oh, he's dead. This is scary. You're gonna die. Oh gosh. I thought there was no borders. Oh! So shadow. Shadow in my light and it blue. There's a boulder. There's no oh gosh. Noobs. There's no boulders. Oh, never mind, there is. Get up and dodge boulders. There's no boulder. Oh no, no! Oh, that was close. Oh god! Oh god! I have to get to the top in order to win this challenge. Oh gosh. Kitten Browser, you're an idiot. I hate you. Oh no. Noob. So that is Kitten Rainbow. I'm gonna prove myself I'm the best. I'm the best and she is not pro. I'm gonna prove it to her. And I will prove it to her by painting this whole thing red. I mean blue. No. No, please. This is my territory. Stop getting my territory, dude. This is not yours. You think this is yours, dude? Bro. Kitten Rainbow, you're adopted. Alright, Kitten Rainbow, you're adopted. Alright, I'm gonna collect yours, and like, you will not succeed in your life. See, you will never succeed in your life. We prove ourselves the best at Kitten Rainbow, because Kitten Rainbow is not bad. Oh gosh, this is like, yes. Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, no, shoot that. Kitten Rainbow, where are you? Oh, then. No. Kitten Rainbow keeps winning. She just have Robux, but she doesn't have school. She's probably dumber than me. She's probably like very dumb. She's like the dumbest woman in the world. Dude. Why did you have to do that? Literally, blue? Blue, get it! Get the blue. Right there! Are you blind? Look at this girl. Oh gosh. Look at this girl like biting into a bamboo. All she's doing is breaking her. All she was doing is breaking his jaws because of that bamboo. Look at this bacons. This is my servants. I will murder. I will do something horrible to you because of what you. I will beat you, Kitten Rainbow. I will beat you. Bro, you is a bad thing. Roblox is like, you is a bad thing. You is a bad thing. You is like a curse word. That's why we censored it for internal thingies. Entertainment purposes. Don't you dare tell me Kitten Rainbow is the one that blow a bubble gum as quick as you can. Blow, 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 blow. Yeah, Kitten Rainbow. Yeah, Kitten Rainbow. You're not even beating me. You're not even beating me, Kitten Rainbow. I'm doing the best. I'm doing the best. I'm doing the best, dude. I'm like the best. I'm like flying. See, I'm beating Kitten Rainbow. I'm beating Kitten Rainbow. That's why I'm the best. I'm proving her I'm the best. I'm the best that Kitten Rainbow. Noobs. Nothing but losers. You're nothing but losers. Cross the road. This is easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. My dad never came back with the milk. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. My dad never came back with the milk. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, company. See, noobs. You thought Kitten Rainbow is the only that is the best in this game? No, there's much more better than you, Kitten Rainbow. You're just an enemy. You look like a girl, but you're actually a 25 years old man playing this game. It's just the reality. And I'm the one pressing the button and not you. Oh gosh, it's on fire. Oh, the button's fire. Extinguisher. Why does she always get it? Yeah, put it out. She's not doing anything. Alright, good luck there. What? These people are noobs. And I am pro cutter boards. Pew, 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 pew. Why can I not shoot anything? Pew, pew, and pew, and pew, pew. I'm lagging. Laggy. Pew. I will be the best one ever to live. And I will not let anybody be much better than me. See, I'm such a pro. Nobody even beats me. Why do I... What? Let me push off a flower. Oh gosh. Noobs! Now I am on a new server because I don't want to murder. I do not want to kill Kitten Rainbow. This game is giving me a lot of anxiety that it's supposed to give me a little, but it's giving me more anxiety than I get. Just another like Kitten Rainbow. Is the guy that spends his life saving just for Bobox. He just spent his whole life saving just for Bobox. Noobs, real tie, you can push me with your table. No, I'm not gonna push anybody with a table because I am friendly. I am friendly human. See, no pushing. Die, woman. Don't you dare push me. This man. Yoink. Oh gosh. No. Please. No, please. There we go. Yoink. Noob. Get out of here, noob. This woman is just having a stroke. She can't even move. She can't even move. Oh gosh. She can't even move by herself. Bubble wrap. My thing is muted so I can't hear it. Also, my phone is lagging. It's like on 1 FPS or maybe 10 FPS. I don't know. I'd rather end my life.